Okay, hello everyone. Market just opened. It's already open like 1 minute ago. So first of all, we have bullish SMT. Which to complete this bullish SMT, we need to sweep London high. And on market open, we immediately sweep this hourly high. While NQ, we're still holding below it. So we might want to consider that as a reversal back to the downside. But I'm more of bullish guy. But it will all depends on what market going to show us and what setup market going to give us. So this is pretty much continuation entry. If you wonder, so if I want to trade continuation, I always say that I'm going to need manipulation on 5 minute to the downside and to the upside. That depends if I want to go higher, then I want the manipulation to the downside, and if I want to go lower, I want the manipulation to the upside. We make very empty a bit. I might go short if we have a 5 minute retrace to the upside of this low and then scale to 1 minute and look for a break of structure. Then my entry going to be short and then targeting like this low. But again, that's all will be depends because market was just open and it's pretty too early for us to overthink about our entries. On previous session, we are completing the manipulation, which is manipulate market open on London, manipulate to the Asian high, and then go down into Asian low. And then on NQ, we are sweeping Asian low, while ES, we're still holding up here. So, yep, that's pretty much all of it. I want to see big time frame view of it. Yep. The only lows we have is here, so our hope either we make another low, which more higher in this area. Maui, 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 Maui. NQ is so weak below here, so we might consider this as our bearish SMT. For now, because the price was not formed completely yet, for us to know either we going to make this bearish SMT or we are not going to make the bearish SMT. We are also inside this gap on NQ, which is still going to synchronize with our bias to go low. Then that will be depends when we are going to get to retrace because we are making this bearish SMT after market open. So after market open, if we make the bearish SMT after the market open, we are going to need a continuation, but we don't need confirmation. But we still need the 5 minute retrace for a continuation, if you understand what I mean. NQ edging those high. I don't know if we sweep it or not. It's like the most ass confirmation I've ever seen in my life. Come on, make a wick, bro. Or maybe ES want to sweep it London high immediately without giving us any entry, but that will come to us with ending up with entry to downside if we make pairs SMT of that. Probably NQ already sweep it here. Yep, NQ already sweep it. But we still way more down from sorry from NQ. Sorry, from London High. What am I talking about? Just want to mark out other draws that I might get took if we actually going to get a continuation entry. Then ES very close to London High, while NQ still far away, half of it. Price just having big candle to the upside. This coin might be going to be the scenario that I told you earlier, that we are up one market open. We are just going to immediately complete the SMT, which is this bullish SMT. Because if you already swept London High, then that's already great, because now we can just don't care about our bullish SMT here. And if NQ is exactly like I said, holding here bearish SMT, then we can just start reversal of that, which right now is looks way more better if we get that entry rather than continuation. Because if I'm looking for continuation, I'm surely looking for a 5 minute manipulation on 5 minute to the lows. But as you can see, the lows that we made is actually just this low all the way down here. The same thing with ES. So yeah, it's going to be better if we just going to just sweep this London high on ES, and then we are going to trade reversal of it, and then expecting NQ to hold this bearish SMT between London high and this New York high, current New York high. Okay, so by the way, ES already swept London high, and NQ is holding, but now we are very close to London high also. So this might be no trade day, I guess, from the price reaction and price movement. I'm just going to see if we run through all of this and then we still get the 5 minute manipulation, which I doubt. That because we haven't even formed any, and we don't even have any selling pressure. This might be no trade day, and also I might be not trading tomorrow just because of course there was CPY. Let me show you. Tomorrow there is CPY, CPI. Sorry, what am I saying? CPY, CPI. There was CPI and all other good stuff, which I'm not sure if I'm going to trade. Probably I'm not going to trade, except uh government decide to just cancel the news. See, we don't have any very scandal here, which is crazy. Alright, and you also sweep it, so that's exactly all it not like as I said, and as I what the hell? As I expect, and even now price already taking all this take profit that I want to take earlier. This is like previous New York AM high 21 here. Let's see if Rush actually want to give some selling pressure here because this is so ass, bro. You know what? It's so boring. I want to scroll some TikTok, and I feel like I feel like if I already explain what my bias for today and I just waiting for until I can answer it straight. I think I'm just going to stop the video, and then I'm going to continue the video when I already got it straight. Sorry, when I already answer it straight, if I answer, or maybe if I'm not trading, so you are not waiting for too long. So yeah, I guess I'm going to just pause the recording, okay? And I will continue if I already got my entry or I decide to not trade today. All right, peace, you guys. Okay, hello everyone. Looks like we might have an entry here. I'm just going to see 1 minute break of structure. So we inverse all this stack up gap after resweeping Asian low. So now we are have one more entry, which is negotiation manipulation and then reversal. So we'll see if we're going to get that entry. If we inverse this gap, 5 minute gap, then I'm going not to trade. If we close this inverse gap and 79% closure, I'm going to enter short.
Order filled.
Damn, this just looks so big. I didn't expect this to be this big. Oh, I guess this is too big, man. I don't know. I'm just going to take partial here. I'm going to change my recording to just showing the trading view. I want to do some transaction type of shit. Maybe I'm just going to wait for it. How much do you think I should take out if we actually take profit one? Okay, and don't forget buy limit. I think we have 11 contracts, right? It's going to out like 5 contracts. Okay. All my risk was there, and also it's still on my prime time to trade, which is still haven't hit 22 p.m. My time. So I'm just gonna leave it. I want to eat something. If it's not a loss, then I don't fucking care. Okay, well, everyone, I'm back. I think I'm just going to wait for the trade to done, either loss or a win, because I want to eat while also watching Netflix. So I'm just going to wait until it's lost or a win.
Stop field.
Alright, I got stopped out. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you guys on next week's because tomorrow there was CPI news. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I'm just going to delete this real quick. Let's see you on NQ. Only NQ. Alright, see you guys next week. Bye.